guys, I'm back with a new video, and as we all know, Instagram just launched a new feature called Reels, which is very similar to TikTok, and I'm going to tell you 5 advantages of Reels that you can take to your advantage to increase your audience and engagement. So let's get started. So the first advantage of using Reels on Instagram is that you already have a built up audience and you don't have to start from scratch zero. You still have an n number of followers who will look up to your content, and that is a great start if you just want to start out and explore. Now, the second advantage of uploading Reels on Instagram is that you have to just upload a 12 to 15 second of content and not compared to IGTV a 1 minute whole content. So if you're just starting out and you're just experimenting a little bit, you can start with the shorter form of content, which is Reels, and then as and when you grow, you can start with IGTV and longer formats like YouTube. So that's a great start. Now, the third advantage where the money comes into play is that now there will be more opportunities of sponsorships on Instagram. Since there was TikTok before, many sponsors used to go on TikTok platform and promote their brands. Now that those audience have just come on Instagram and everyone will be at one place, now there are more opportunities for you to get sponsorships from different brands and different niches. You can explore a lot. The fourth advantage of Reels is that since you are building up an audience, you need instant review as to what do they like and what do they dislike. And Reels is the best because you are uploading a very short format about what are you thinking next to upload as a content, and from that you can get an instant review. For example, if you're uploading beauty content as well as fashion content, and if you upload small content relating to these both niches on your Reels, then you can get an instant reaction whether people like your makeup skills more or your fashion goals more. And that is where you can actually read your audience and understand what do they want more from you, and you can make your content game according to that. So that is a very good thing which Instagram has just released. Now, the fifth and the most obvious advantage is that the previous audience, which was on TikTok, also content creators which were on TikTok, will now shift to Instagram, and that's why the reach of Instagram is going to grow multiple. And that's why it's the best time for you to start anything which you like as a hobby, or if you just want to showcase your talent on internet. I think Instagram is the best time to say I'm so excited about this new feature. I've just started uploading Reels on my Instagram, so please do check that out and let me know what kind of content do you want me to share there. For now, I've just started with a little bit of comedy here and there, so please go check out and have fun. Bye.